Come to this side. Right here. Introduce yourself.
My name is Tamika. Can we talk? This kind of talk.
And the reason as to why I pop the balloon is my type of girls, them have to cover up, you know what I mean?
When I pop my balloon still,
Yeah.
I dressing, I shoes, show off. So me I say bartender, I not really do bartender. I not much to say, and zero me guy.
No. No, she never said she want bartender. She said she come in a series.
She just like a bartender said we.
Why you kept your balloon all along?
Because, from looking at her eyes, me see this sun before the day shine.
Can we talk?
You move like a taxi. You're just like a taxi. Wanna move.
You too lie.
Believe.
Too lie. You jumping right yet? What do you do for yourself, bro?
I'm a movie star. I'm an actress. I'm an actor. Actor.
Novo Pandora.
Yo, I didn't expect the balloon I find love. Kingston, ready? Yeah. Say hello to my little friend. Make sure to leave a like and subscribe below. Big up my team, you see it? Live boss, you don't know a thing. The man them, it's simple and easy. When a girl walk in, and what you do when you like her, what you do? And if you don't like her, what you do? No, but what if you like her and you want to bring her on a date, what you do? Alright, it's simple and easy. Man, Tigabe, we are forward next week, you see it? So just connect up on my Instagram. For the small business person that want to promote with me, get that bag, run it up, alright? Yeah, just email me or Instagram me, you see it? Watch out, me so no one next part 2 for the TikTok edition. It's gonna cost some dough. So if you see my PayPal below, just put something in it. We're not talking about coffee money. You see it? Anything you art desire, I'm gonna get enough for put on. Got it like all the time, chips. Banana chips! Alright, watching the people, I want an early hug. Because when you not subscribe, some of us are going to hug and squeeze it out on you. Just click the subscribe button, you see it? You have your phone beside you when you watch the TV. Come on, subscribe, change your toes. It don't look good. Change your toes up. Can I get a hug? Alright, let's go. Subscribe. So, hey, don't subscribe. Mama, get some energy now. Yeah, bro. Yeah, because you single so long. So, bring out the girl and, is that what? Yeah. All right. All right, then. Ready? Bring her in. Come to this side. Right here. Introduce yourself.
My name is Tamika, more so known as Omega from the Bartender series.
All right.
Yeah.
All right. So what type of work do you do, Tamika?
Well, first of all, as you know, as you heard, I am an actress.
Mm-hmm.
I do catering and I run a business from home.
Okay. All right. All right. And what's like your main hobby, though?
My main hobby, I don't think I want to mention that.
Oh, you know I mentioned a hobby? Okay, all right. And when it comes down to a male, though, what's your type? What type do you normally go for?
Go again?
What type of male do you like? What kind of man do you
I
like?
thought you said guy. Oh, males. Well, I like a man. I like a man that is compassionate, that has drive,
Yeah.
and knows to treat a queen. That is what I am.
All right. And what's like a first date for you? Like, what's the best first date?
The best.
Yeah. Can you tell us like a perfect first date for you?
Well, I am adventurous. I like the beach,
Okay.
river. It's not a lot,
Oh, so you like the beach and the river.
Anything will work with me and him, it's all about compatibility.
Oh, so he's a water girl.
Me and him will work.
All right.
Anyway,
All right, bet.
fussy this so.
Okay. You can shout out your social?
It is Tamika Rowe underscore Omega.
All right then. So we got some pop. We're gonna find out why them pop the balloon. We are going to the side.
What is this?
All right. We're gonna find out why them pop the balloon. We're going to that side. Yeah. Ready? Your name, social, why you pop your balloon?
All right, my name is Robert. My social is Top World Music, TOPPWIRLMUSIC. And the reason as to why I pop the balloon is my type of girls, them have to cover up, you know what I mean? I mean, it's only for my eyes. Exhibition style, that's a no-no. But, I mean, respectfully, you're looking good. But in terms of the cover-up aspect, yeah.
What if I told you that I was covered up with something and the females outside suggested that I just rock the suit as it is?
I totally understand, but you need to have a mind of your own.
I do.
I totally understand
but
again.
we're on a show. And it's one of you, Papa.
I mean,
So let me just go in an Omega character now. One of you. This is me. This is what I like, and what I like, any man me like supposed to like it. So, alright. I'm not gonna like no the way where him tell me never like before. I'm gonna tell him he did like.
Okay.
From day one.
Okay. All right. So how much did I rate her from 1 to 10 though?
Well, on a scale of 1 to 10, I would say 7 because there's always room for improvement.
Right.
And as I say respectfully, but my type of girls them have to cover up differently still. I mean, this is like exhibition style. You're displaying it for other. You know what I mean? So if there was an interest,
me like that?
if there was an interest, I mean, probably there would be a shift in the mindset.
Yeah, but you said
the dressing. You know what I mean?
You said cover up. I don't see her skin.
Spin. Do a 360 and I'll show you what I mean.
I don't wish to. You gave me a 7, man.
I gave you a 7. But
And
this
was suggested by friends, I didn't just go and pick it out and carry it where to
totally understand, but respectfully, you're looking beautiful.
This is not this is not my attire.
The ear, the effort. Yeah, me give you
my what?
The effort in terms of you preparation style, getting yourself together and all of these things, but at times it's not really good for listen to friends,
I don't have a lot of friends. I have fans, I have associates, I have family. I'm just saying that before I chose it, I showed it to them. And they were saying, it doesn't show a lot, it's shiny. So this go beyond my just rock it same way.
All right.
Them say it's shiny, now go show it too much.
All right, just to add.
This is it.
Just to add, there's a few curves in the pound roundabout. That's why I said do a 360. So it's like...
You got to change the number where you give me,
you
sir?
doing the 360 based on what I see. It basically I show everything. So it's like me not nothing surprised.
You're too light. Don't do that.
All right, so
all right, let's move along.
How much would you rate it from 1 to 10?
Tell me, the 360 I got to change the number. That I want to find out, really.
How much would you...
You'll never know.
All right. How much would you rate it from 1 to 10?
Oh. Based on the conversation that we've been having, it sounds good. And when I pull up and I open up and I look, what's that?
Me I open up for
what's
you see.
That?
You know what I
my
mean?
thing no based off a physical appearance,
Okay,
my friend.
no problem.
And the reason over there have me to say right now, we would have give you back 172.
Okay.
Right there, so we're moving along.
All right, come down to the side. Back. Come back.
Yes.
Your name, social, why you pop your balloon?
Yeah, my name Andrew. Yeah, LD no social. I'm pop my balloon because she look too old for me. Yeah.
Oh, Jesus Christ.
Okay. All right. And
So him look so young and old at the same time. You look young and old at the same time. I don't understand. And you're going to do that to me. Me is a mother of a big man already, Me feel like me look good. Me look all good, too good to be a mother.
Me never say no
What
look
you saying?
good. Me never say no look good. You look good,
Me
yes.
not old. Me not
But
look
me don't
old.
want to know your
You
age,
cannot
yo.
tell me
What's your
that.
age?
Listen to me though.
you might ask what's your age.
I don't wish to tell you my age. I'm old enough. Me not reach 40 yet.
Well, sorry, nah, much. Sorry.
Me not
Just
reach
not
40
much.
yet. Me not reach 39 yet.
It's just
So
not
why you
much.
talk to me? What me need to fix? What me need to fix? Talk to me. I want to make me look old.
As well, I'm saying, you need to, as a big woman, care yourself better.
Which big man? My mother
And you
big
don't have to
woman.
do the makeup as a rasta,
Mother big
natural.
man. No, me
But
never go do
you
the
look
makeup.
good.
My friend just fix it up and me just come out.
Alright,
It
this-
never take much work.
Alright,
And like I want modeling show.
All right. How much would you rate her from 1 to 10?
About a 3, just
Dating
because
show.
how she carry herself.
3?
Yeah, just
Just
because how
because I
she
want to
carry
carry
herself.
myself just to come. Remember a dating thing, you know?
Yeah.
You wouldn't
No,
carry me out, so.
but if a dating thing we have and just, this
Buy
come
this
up
for
and
me,
date.
for only, you know?
What me that say to
I'm
you, say wear something with
serious.
flowers, like
Look
look
here.
something more pretty, man.
Oh, but we're
Okay.
not go home together tonight.
I need
We
just to
just
show up
have
everybody
to get
thing
to know
right
each
now.
other, for go up on a
Okay.
date at another time.
All right then.
But anyway, it's
All right then.
alright.
To beach, I go.
All right.
No.
What do you think about him? What do you think about him and
Boy,
his
me
appearance?
can't, me don't know, you know. Me don't know what to say
How much would you rate him from
about
1 to
him, you
10?
know. Because him look like he might disrespect the program. So you tell me, so me not look good.
You look
Me
good.
not nice.
Yeah, man.
But batting a cock up.
So now that's why you know that. Jesus Christ, man.
I
you
never
look
have to do
innocent.
that, you know. I never have to wear this for show it. But if I tell you, say,
So
I
that's why me I
thought the
tell.
occasion would, if this would be okay.
That's why me I tell you, say yo, date. You wear something for
I thought
date.
this would be okay for the occasion. Yes, and then the guy with me
Well,
into
listen,
and
that's why me I
into
compliment you the
me,
good.
he would be okay with me dressing up.
All
That
right
me I
then.
try to tell you.
How much should I rate him from 1 to 10?
Come here now. Me see enough time, you know. Come over here, so me ask you something. You never seen me before, don't it?
No,
At no time.
no time.
But I don't want to know the Omega from the Big Bad Bartender series. And I star it with any scene me in and me take it over. You understand me?
Yeah.
Right now, me not like, oh, yeah, deal with me. You have to go change the tree. That
I've
me I
got
tell you
change the
so.
tree.
Tell me what me need for to change the tree.
The
You go
only
check out,
thing
you
I
want
need
to
to
have
do.
on the phone, can make him check out my acting skills or something. Because the brother here
Watch
not
out.
give me enough. No,
You know, do
no, because I have to go take
the
care
only
of
thing
we.
you want me to do, watch
It
out.
will help take care of we if we should
The
go into
date,
a
watch out.
relationship.
Hold on, listen to me now.
All right, hold on. Oh, so you say, you know, all
Change the
right, with the
tree.
3 way him give you? You know
Tree,
what?
I know what I'm saying about you.
Oh, okay.
May I
Change the
give
tree.
So, huh?
May I
Five.
give you a fighting? 5.
All right. How much would you rate him from 1 to 10?
See you. You wait me for rate him now. Upon them type of something there now. Him give me 5, me will give him back 3 now.
Okay.
And
All
move
right.
along.
All right, come. Come down to this side.
I'm lip them get dry up in here.
Alright.
Come man, this is my I will if I talk him, me just do it him, you know.
All right. Your name, social, why you pop your balloon?
Chemical J on all media platform. You're attire, mama. You're
Thank
cute,
you.
like you're here, but
Natural.
you're jealous bad.
Um,
So, no, you move like a taxi. You're just like a taxi, wanna move.
you too lie.
Believe.
Too lie. You jump in right yet? You jump in
Me
yet
nah go jump
and you're
in, believe.
virgin?
Me nah go
And
jump
anybody
in.
for you?
Me nah go jump in like mama.
Oh, come you know you don't know me from Adams if you know what show. And you know support your own Jamaican people
and hold on.
films.
All right,
You know,
so,
support the
Hold
Jamaican
on,
thing. You're
hold
not
on.
going to see me. You're
Hold
not going to
on,
know
mama.
me.
hold on there, hold on
Yeah.
there. All right, based on her appearance, how much should I rate her though?
As a wanna move, 8. As a wife, 3.
Oh.
And me a judge her off how she dress.
Okay.
So,
Oh,
Alright.
okay. No,
Alright.
I taught my language. That's fair enough.
Wait,
Fair enough.
what you think about him? Based on him appearance, how much should I rate him from 1 to 10?
So, me have something to say to him.
No, how much should I rate him from 1 to 10 though?
All right, there and then. All right, I would give him an 8.
What you like about him?
I like his reasoning and his dressing is not that bad, you know. I'm not going to. I mean, I know what I'm going to act there, but yeah. Not bad at all. You go on still. And the glasses, you wear glasses.
yeah, you still can't see everything without it.
Okay. I mean, I wonder if I didn't even take it off, I see my goat still. But all right.
How much should I rate him?
You can go on with the 8.
8 out of 10?
Yes, I.
Alright,
I'm
come down to this one.
I'll you start off rough.
Alright.
Yeah.
Right, is it?
Oh, yeah.
Alright, right is over there? Yeah? Oh, my bad.
Yeah.
My bad, sorry. Yeah, there. Please like the video. May I wait? Thank you. Your name, social, why you pop your balloon?
I know say Image Barber, you see me? Image Barber 754. Find me on TikTok and Instagram. You see me I say? You can contact me number there. Treat me anyway. Alright, why me pop my balloon still?
Yeah.
I dressing, I shoes, show off. See me I say bartender, I not really do bartender. I not much to say, I 0 me guy.
No. No, she never said she want bartender. She said she come in a series.
She just like a bartender said we. Zero me give her my father. Talk less.
All
I
right.
never thought
All right.
I would get a 0.
All right.
But
What do you think about what him say and his appearance?
the way I have less than 0.
No.
You sure?
Nothing.
Nothing. So you give yourself what you get.
Oh, say
You
again.
give yourself what you get, all right?
you give him a 0?
Moving along, you're going to be like that.
All right then. Good.
Yes, I.
This side. Your name, social, why you pop your balloon?
True Shane on all platforms, artist and producer.
Wow.
You see, for me, you know, I fire blaze, you know, but I fire then I blaze for me. Me, I feel like we get burned up. And I feel like my woman should be a reflection of me. That's just too much for me, simple. You see me, I say?
But this is not the regular thing I told you guys. I
First
bought this.
impression, last one.
Listen. Oh boy.
Use the mic here.
Me say it, I really don't listen, you know. Me say me never, this is not my type of dressing.
She said she buy it for this
I
occasion.
did this for the occasion. Because if me ever go out with my man, me want make sure say him always dead so with me, you know.
As me say,
Him
a first
on-
impression.
on.
You see me, I say?
First impression not always last, my friend.
Yeah, me I
First
say.
impression don't always last. Because one
LOST
paint
for me
picture.
right now,
Yeah,
though. You see
because
me, I
me
say?
way at alright, I'm go
Okay.
on now.
And how much did I rate her from 1 to 10?
Like,
I give her
want
a
to say
solid
too
5,
much.
man. I'm mad fly, you see me?
5 out of 10.
Mad fly, chips, you know?
Oh, come on, we got some decent guys
What-
here.
what-
Look,
what you
we
think
looking
about
for
him?
wives. With you.
Based on his appearance, how much would you rate him?
Yeah, man, we can go on with a 6.
6 out of 10?
Yeah, man, we not style the thing right now. We can't even stay in the Omega character.
Alright
Never
then.
disrespect people.
Alright then, cool.
Yeah.
Alright, so the
me
man
just
them.
keep it in between.
Alright, so the man
Yeah.
them without a balloon, walk with grace. Someone please. Come. More?
Watch the head back. That's good. Yeah,
Alright, so right about now we have 2 meals right now, right? So what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna ask them their name, and you're gonna get to know them name and thing. And you can ask them a question and get to know them, alright? Good? Alright. Your name?
My name is Money Idol Boss.
Money, what?
Money Idol Boss.
Money idol
Yes.
boss.
Yes.
Alright. What? Money idol question?
Say your name again.
One Money Idol Boss.
What your name? What's your name?
My real name is Joel.
Joel.
Yeah.
Joel what?
Cresswell.
Guess what? All right.
That's the question?
That's it.
Yep. Alright. Your name?
I don't know. One Danny Samarian on all platform. Is it? You know, man.
What's his question?
Nice name. I like that name.
Yeah, man.
How old are you?
24.
24. Okay. That's it.
That's it? Alright. Alright then. So what I want to do right now, them have got ask about a question because what we did want to do, you never ask them, is it? But they want you to ask them questions and then based on their answers you would have popped. But you never ask any in-depth question. So I'm gonna let them ask you a question, alright? Good?
Go ahead.
All
Go
right.
ahead.
What's the question for her?
What's your name?
She
My
said her
name
name
is
is
Tamika.
Tamika.
True, I don't remember. Well, Miss. All right, Tamika. Princess Tamika. What do you looking for in a relationship?
I look for stability, you know.
Okay.
Compatibility is what the thing you have to start off with, you know.
Yeah.
Somebody where you and them they're on the same page.
Yeah.
And you know can really plan the future together because basically I see things the same way going forward.
Yeah.
It can really work out that way better.
Okay.
Yes.
Pretty. Okay. I'm a movie star,
All right.
so that would be a plus for me and you
How would it be a plus for me and you?
because you are an actress, and we can create movies and bring it to the wider capacity.
All right.
Good?
Okay.
Good? Alright. Move on to the
Next
next one.
question.
No, we have yeah?
Yes, another.
No. Right here. Come right here. Yeah. All right, my G, you gotta ask her a question.
Yeah, man, I want Danny say no. Me I look upon you still, but it's true me is a man still. I like when all I eyes them depend my woman still. You see it? That true you give a look of bad vibes, see me, but you do her for you, man.
Me, I'm kind of, no. Mm-mm.
Yeah, man.
No. No.
Can't work. My woman have to
Well,
war for you.
our
Because
kind
I
of
war
man
for
that
shit.
when we gonna go, I will war
No,
over,
man.
we wanna be youth them.
No, man. The
If a girl
toxic
want to
thing.
take him for fool or she.
All right, bro. All right, cool. So basically, you pop a balloon because she can't war for you.
No, because she not going to defend her man. You have to,
No,
you have to
no,
can stand
no,
up for him.
No, they not me. You didn't understand
Listen,
the
me and
question
her
that
go
you
road.
asked.
Rolling, me not walk with man. I say, me and her go road. You see it, and a boy rush me, traffic and dead. If you say, you see
You
it.
didn't ask the question properly then, friend.
Well, so you're
You don't
defend.
ask it properly then.
So you're defend man.
No, anybody way against my people, basically.
Suppose me
Them
get it.
against
Suppose
me too.
you don't know say thing they on belly does. I suppose you
Think they
can.
on which belly?
Me ask you. Suppose me there a yard. And look at
Yeah.
her square go and a man a running pan. You can
Running which
defend your
part?
man.
Me not there with no guy. That me the want to tell Rolly say what kind of man me like. Me more want to tell him about the man that me don't like.
Show me things say look bad still. You see it? You kind of
You
look
see me there?
like smarty way.
Yeah, man, we don't want a man with nothing on no side over no part over no way. We don't want a liar and no thief and no. None of them some them, my friend.
They are talk about.
You see
Oh,
me?
so
I tell you,
basically,
man,
yes.
we don't want that.
Oh, so you say him, you not deal with the man where have thing pan and belly.
Not at all, not at all. Not even the police, not even the popo, the feds.
All right, then.
No.
All right, my G. How much you da rate her from 1 to 10?
Boy, really, she look kinda.
Yeah,
She'd come out good in her
You
seat.
wouldn't leave me.
Yeah, a 6. A
It's
6 out of
okay.
10.
We don't get nothing, but it's alright.
Oh, you say it a Rocky Moral?
Rock for world.
No, you say it a Rocky Moral?
I know I would if
Okay.
if we did rock with that age group there.
Okay.
Yes.
Okay, all right then. All right. How much would you rate it from 1 to 10? And what do you think about what him just say?
Him so insensible, For a young youth, yeah. Hairstyle.
You like him hairstyle?
Side.
Big up me here, just someone.
Oh, so you need that all. You're up with that age. Where do that? You didn't need it?
I'm an image man.
Oh.
Okay. How much would you rate him?
I don't know nothing about that. All right, yeah. Back to the question. I would rate him. I wish part them stop for me with the rating again. Because everybody have to group up,
No, may I say, how much would you rate it from 1 to 10?
You know, that's me I go. How much? What the last rating me get?
To him?
6 out of
6?
10.
Take a 7.
7 out of 10?
Yes, I.
All right, then it wasn't that much. Walk it, girls here. Come to this side.
Uh-huh.
All right, so we're the final meal right now. So what I'm going to do, you're going to ask him questions, and he's going to ask you questions because I want to find out if you guys have a chemistry or any spark, all right? All right? Oh, you smiling. That's a good thing, right? Okay, that's good. All right, that's good. All right.
Smile, my boss. Smile. All right, let's go.
All right, so it's on you right now to ask him a question.
All right. What do you do for yourself, bro?
I'm a movie star. I'm an actress. I'm an actor. Actor. I'm a movie star. I'm an artist. I self-employed.
Oh.
I hustle. For anything I want in my life.
Can I ask you the question again so
Yeah.
you could just come again,
Yes.
Yeah.
Like a little,
Yes.
come again. What do you do? What do you do for a living?
I buy stuff and sell.
No, so you're,
so he's a
you're a
hustler.
igla.
Hustler. I don't depend on no one.
All right, so you're a igla.
Basically, sir.
Get any kids?
No.
You live on your own?
No. Live with my family.
Oh, so you're an artist and an igla at the same time?
Yes.
And an actor too?
Yes.
And you say actress?
Actor.
Okay. Sorry, my bad.
I don't want to kick off my shoes and run
no,
out
no,
here.
it was my bad.
Listen to me, sir. You're nice. You're nice. But I don't think you are for me. You're a nice dude. Yeah?
What? No, he's going to ask you a question.
All right. First and foremost, you see yourself with a young guy.
Let me see what?
Why we see yourself with a young guy?
Me not see myself nowhere with a young guy. Cause me already have a son, a young adult. But
Okay,
me still have to make sure say.
okay, so next 5 years from now, we'll see yourself as.
What me see myself as?
Yeah.
Me. See
No,
myself as
like
me.
for instance, you're going for something this year. Like, what dream you have to achieve?
I would just want to get more gigs.
I would say you
Get
want
to
to
be
turn
known more.
a breeder.
Like what kind of breeder? One
Okay, I mean,
like
what?
dog.
No, I don't mix dog with human.
So what kind of breeder you want?
Breeder
Dog
mean
breeder,
that you have a lot of
a dog
football
breeder.
team, a lot of
No,
baseball.
I'm done with having kids, you know.
Oh. So what do you say? You want to take over?
Take over what?
Take over this?
You want boss it
All
for
right,
me?
all right, mama can. All right, mama can.
Help me boss it?
All right, hold on. All right, dog. All right, mama. Good? You good?
Yes.
Okay. All right, so
Alright.
mama just speed it up.
Nice.
Is it that much for you?
ON.
No? All right, so you're gonna have to pop his balloon, all right?
I will help her.
You want to help me? Come, let's do it together. You're so sweet. Jesus Christ. You never said me and you do it together, man.
That's okay,
You
sir.
see what me I talk about?
No. I
That's
don't.
why I know we could go together at all.
No.
You say me and you do it together.
You know, say first,
Bro.
me go touch
You're
your balloon.
confused.
No, I don't confuse them.
Next time you ask me what kind of man me don't like. Nikki and go wrong in that now page 3 and 2 and 3.
Okay.
All right.
Because after that everything good, you know.
All right then. All right, no problem.
But that's, your number now got changed from me. So now
All right. All right, dog. How much would you rate her from 1 to 10?
make sure you rate me first. Okay.
How much would you rate him?
First.
You want you to rate him first. How much would you rate him from 1 to 10?
Alright. Based on what? Exactly.
Based on his appearance.
Based on his appearance?
Mm-hmm.
Well, like when I'm naked like me, that's to tell me here tonight. Like when I'm naked, him can get 1, 2 or 1, 3.
Okay.
Okay.
Yeah.
Yes.
Okay. All
So
right.
the same digit I give me, I give you back.
Okay.
Not wrong.
Okay.
Yeah,
Alright.
it is what it is, bro.
That's cool, like a coin shade.
All right.
Country or
All right.
cucumber.
All right. It wasn't that
Big up
much.
yourself. Big
It
up
wasn't that much.
Big up yourself.
It wasn't that much today. Walk with grace for me, please.
We not disrespect woman. Big up yourself.
That's cool. That is good, man.
All right, Jamaica. It wasn't that much today.
Mm-hmm.
Think it was a match though.
Yeah.
Yeah, I think you'd find a match,
I really did think I would find somebody tonight, but
Yeah.
you know, it is what it is.
but it wasn't a match. You know what you have to do? Walk with grace, all right?
Thank you so much. Yeah.
Yeah.
Thank you.
Wait then. Please like the video. Now wait. Thank you. Alright, so people, say hello to my little friend. Remember, say, Mobia will come next week, you see it? So the Mobia people, them who been a link me, and I say, Rolly, when we come back on Mobia? Next week, Saturday, alright? Make sure to link me and dress as a first date, alright? The man them, let me get some energy, please. No, that sound flat. Let me get some energy. Alright, mad. Alright, we're gonna bring in the next girl and we're gonna make sure they're right. So please wait until she reach another frame, yeah? Yeah. Come to this side. Right here. Introduce yourself.
You know, it's me, Slimmatica. You can reach out on Instagram, YouTube, and TikTok.
Okay. What type of work do you do?
I'm an entrepreneur and I'm also an artist.
Artist. So, alright. So if I was to ask you what's your best hobby, like one of your hobby, would it be artist or?
Yeah, it's multitask.
Okay.
I can also dance, rap, and DJ. Yeah, singing, everything.
Oh, that's cool. All right. And when it comes down to a male, though, what's your type?
Hardworking, ambitious, and they have to be very respectable.
Good, good. And what's like a big red flag for you?
A liar.
You don't like a liar?
No, and mean man.
Come on, bro. Okay, all right. And like, let us know, like, what's the perfect first date you've ever been on?
Perfect.
Yeah, like, you know, you get a date in the past and like, you can say it's a good first date.
I would say going on a picnic date.
Picnic date.
Picnic.
So you cook or the guy cook?
He did.
Wow, that's good. All right, cool. All right. And you showed at the social already?
Yes, Slimatica.
All right, so we got some pop. So we're going to find out why them pop the balloon, all right? Your name, why you pop your balloon?
My name is Robert, aka Top Earl, aka Happy Pum Pum Boss. And the reason as to why I pop my balloon, I feel like she's too much of a boss. May I get that boss energy there? The boss energy there. That belongs to me. Woman, or woman rather, supposed to be submissive overall. But now I get that submissive energy there. You know what I mean? But respectfully, she's looking good. I like the attire, but the tats them kind of scare me away. Yeah, and I like the hairstyle. I like the lipstick, the eyes. Yeah, overall she's good enough, respectfully. But me I get too much of a bossy energy. I feel like she got overthrow me the thing, you know?
Oh, so basically you're not like a girl that matches your energy?
Well, more to say, me not like a girl that match my energy. It's more like men overall supposed to be the head, and woman supposed to be the neck. So I mean, if me I get a type of vibe where your energy, in terms of dominance, I go overthrow mine, then there's gonna be an issue. But overall, respectfully, as stated, I like the attire.
Yeah.
I mean, I like how she present herself.
Yeah.
I mean, respectfully, much attributes to you.
How much would you rate her from 1 to 10?
On a scale of 1 to 10, I would give her a 8. There's always room for improvement.
Good.
Nobody's perfect.
Good.
But attack of the tower, probosci. Yeah.
Okay.
She ain't fully fake.
All
Thank
right.
you.
What do you think about what he just said?
Well, he's kind of right. I'm bossy. I love things my way at times.
Same thing.
So yeah.
That's what I'm saying. So it's like, just to avoid confliction, brother, lay up my cards, them first impression last. I mean, it don't make sense, my hold back. Makes sense, me make sure know, be transparent and make sure know what time it is.
Yeah.
And I mean, if something spark, something spark. But
Yeah.
me not really too like a woman with too bossy. Leave that to me, baby.
All right.
You know what I mean?
Okay.
Yeah.
You get that a lot?
Yeah.
Yeah. All right. What do you think about his appearance, though? How much would you rate it from 1 to 10?
He's okay.
Mm-hmm.
I don't really like his shoes,
Mm-hmm.
but I like your personality. You're an artist, right?
Right away.
Yeah. So you know artist, no artist.
That's why I feel
And,
like energy.
yes,
That's why I
and
can be able to.
You're all right.
like-
You know me that give you 7.5.
Not a problem.
Yeah.
Appreciate. Much appreciate.
Is he your type, though?
No.
Okay. Is she your type?
Not quite. Honestly, not quite. I
Okay.
would say no.
Okay, then. All right, then. Let's go down the line. Right here. Come over. Your name? Why you pop your balloon?
Andrew. I'm a social name of LD, artist and designer. You see me? I'm a friend.
Hey, friend?
Yeah, man, she come like a sister to me, you see me? So, you know, yeah.
All right. So how much you do rate her from 1 to 10?
10 man, she look good, man. We are some man. Hot, scotch.
All
I
right.
really like.
Is he your friend for real?
Yes, he's my friend
Oh, your friend zone him?
on TikTok.
Oh, your friend zone his name on TikTok?
Yes.
Okay. He slid in your DM. Oh, okay. All right, Ben. How much you do rate it from 1 to 10, though?
8.
8 out of 10?
Yes.
Why 8?
He's cool. I like his personality. He always motivates me with whatever I do. We're not too light the dressing though, but I 8
Oh, as a friend.
as a friend.
Okay. All right.
Yeah.
Come on this side. Your name? Why you pop your balloon?
Chemical J on all media platform. KEMIKAL J music. Me lie your fuck. I can't cuss bad word.
Okay.
Yeah, I lie, man, and I like the nose ring right, so that's something there. But otherwise, she good.
Okay. How much would you rate her from 1 to 10 though?
6.
6? Why 6?
Nose ring, and she not like that.
And you lie a lot. Life you're living?
What? Yeah, man.
Make a lot of like calls and things.
Top.
Oh, so you make calls, so you lie while making.
No, that. Oh God, bro.
Okay. What do you think about what he said?
Well, I like his honesty. I don't like your jeans. Furthermore, I don't like brown males. I don't mesh with them at all. And I would give you a 6.5.
Because of his genes
Yes.
and his complexion?
And yes.
But his height is good?
Yes, his height is good. But brown guy is not for me.
We can't change the jeans.
You're already in it, sorry.
Okay, just make it bad. If he approach you with a different jeans outside of here, would he have gotten your number?
Me not easily giving me number like that, no.
Okay.
Alright, mama.
Come this side. Right here. Your name, why you pop? Your balloon?
My Image Barber, you know. Image Barber 754. Find me on Instagram and TikTok. Why me pop my balloon? Say she not like brown man and me bleach, you know. Code.
Oh.
Yeah, code.
Oh, so you're not brown?
Me not brown, but you don't know, we tone down said we, you know. And she not like brown man, so you get what? She go fight against me bleaching, you know.
Yeah, but you're black originally then, that you say?
Yeah.
But you're tight then?
No, I don't think so.
How much you do rate her from 1 to 10 though?
You know, so tell you honest truth, I give her a 7 still. Cause she look good, you know. I like everything about her, she look good.
So what a 10?
7 out of 10.
What do you think about what he said?
You're just misjudging. Because if you're a black man, you're a black man, whether you bleach or not.
No, but you say you don't like brown man.
No, but you're not brown. Because I would definitely see that you're not a brown man, but at least you bleach.
Yeah,
So,
but when you say you know like brown man, enough girl that come to me and say, you know, say, you know like a bleacher.
No, but I did not say bleacher. So that's where you get it wrong.
But you end up bleaching, you're going to make you brown, though.
You're a black man.
Okay.
Oh, so him just had miscategorized himself.
Yes.
Okay. How much would you rate him from 1 to 10?
To be honest, he has a swagger. I like your swagger. Everything match up. Give you a 9.
Thanks for that still.
All right.
Yeah. Is she a type?
Kinda, but you don't know. Yeah, she do a type, but that's why I never bust the balloon, but she can say brown, you know.
Yeah. All right then. So you give him a how much out of 10? How much would you rate him from 1 to 10?
9.
9 out of 10?
Yes.
Good?
Yeah, I'm good with that now. Yeah, live with it, you know.
All right.
Yeah, I like that smile still. Yeah, she good.
Thank you.
This side. All right. So the man named without a balloon, walk with grace for me now. All right. So we have 3 males right now. What I'm going to make you do, I'm going to ask them their names, and you're going to ask them questions, all right? To get to know them, all right? Okay. Good? Just use the mic at that. Yeah? Your name is?
One true Shane never tell a lie about it. You see me I say? Mad.
What's this question?
True Shane, would you, are you single?
Like a hit record.
Wow. Okay. Secondly, would you be with a woman that has 5 kids?
5 kids?
Yes.
So do you want more?
To be honest, no.
Then yes, I would come in and want more either. Yeah, one.
Okay.
Big up Nene, you know.
All right.
Good?
Good.
Your name?
One money at all, boss.
What's this question?
Would you be with a go-go?
I can change that go-go in a wifey because people can change. So therefore, their character today is go-go. Tomorrow they can be a wife. They can change. So I don't respond about the category where I play today, but I'm responsible about the category I play in the future.
Okay.
I don't struggle about today, I struggle about the future.
Okay.
Yeah.
Good? That's
yeah,
it?
good. Fair.
Your name?
And it's Somalian up on all platforms, is it?
What's this question?
Do you prefer young females or ladies in their 30s, 40s?
I prefer a lady them, man, is it? I'm used to.
Okay.
Or you prefer older female?
Mm-hmm.
Okay. And do you have kids?
No, I'm not getting a youth yet.
Okay.
That's it?
Yeah.
All right. To the side. All right. So based on the answers and appearance, the answers can influence it too. Pop one balloon. Okay, right here. Come over. Yeah. All right. So why you kept your balloon all along?
Why rolling me? I look on her, me and say, boy, as much as she says she not like brown man, me I just be this ex boy the side man.
The what?
Yeah, work my way for something must can work out. As a man say, people mind change. You see it and she ready, bro, believe. Right now.
She ready?
Right now.
How much you do rate her from 1 to 10?
Yeah, 8.5, man, really.
What you like about her, bro?
Bro, she just, for a big man, she just look fresh. She look active same way. You see, like, me can lock it down for her like 1 week and just mash it down. I swear, bro.
Lock her down like, what?
Lock it down for her like 1 week, bro. All I know about her, pitney them, believe. Example, you see it, not serious, but it's an example.
Okay. Why you pop his balloon?
He looks too much like my baby father, one of my baby father.
Exactly?
Almost. Tattoos, height, complexion, dressing.
So
It's a bad experience. So, no.
So the experience making her like brown man then.
Yes.
Oh, so based on your past, make you just cut off brown mind?
Yeah.
I know my heart broke my heart really, but big up yourself, see me.
Okay.
How much would you rate if I 1 to 10?
To be honest, I'll give him an 8.5.
What you like about him?
Nice, them like him eyes. Tattoos them, The spirit take him from today still when but I just say things set, brother. You see pretty.
Easier type then?
I would say yes, but as
Yeah, try to change it up.
we just not love brown man anymore.
Okay.
Yes.
Okay.
No, I go. January really, dog.
Okay.
People them always blame the brown man, them January. Yeah.
Wasn't that much there? Or could be, sir? All right. Side. All right. So it's down to the two guys right now. All right. They're gonna ask you questions and you're gonna answer it back. And if they wanna pop, they're gonna pop. All right.
Okay.
Good. What's her question?
All right. Me or she says she's an artist. Right. She definitely have the image, the image up. And I feel like say if she there foot, can make her in a star. And a millions will make. So I want to ask you, are you serious about music?
Yes, I do.
Mad. Are you signed to any labels?
Not yet.
I say, pass the mic records, Chia records. I will hype on you, man. Nice.
Sure.
That's it?
That's it for now.
All right. Right here. What's her question? Money Adal?
He's an artist. How that son?
Well, it's so, so now we are still in a.
All right. You're a data man where believe in himself more than how people talk about him, and in believe in his family more than even what they expect.
Come again.
You're a data man who believe in himself more than what people talk about him. Cause people don't get down when they hear negative shits about themselves. That's true.
Mm-hmm.
Yeah. They're a self-believer and a person where they closer to your family, or what?
No.
Why?
Because you can't be close to your family. You have to believe in yourself.
No, closer means said, build the family comes first with them. Then build relationship, they not build converse. Like half up and quarrel.
You're kind of confusing me.
All right.
What you mean?
All right, explain after. You see some family they cussy every day with them each other and have up them each other over foolishness. You see me? But me is a family person while I'm an artist and I'm a caring person.
So what's her question, bro?
So you done there with one person like that?
Like what?
Like we love in family and accept in family. All where people say about in family.
Yeah, but you're just talking about family alone. What about me?
No, that's combined. You see, you are family. So if they're coming to me every day and telling me negative things about your past, for instance, somebody telling me about you, say you used to sell front a back road. I don't respond to what it past, You're being a changed lady in my eyes. You see me? So me not make it past affect me. You know me make affect me? The future. You like a man when I take care of from people?
Yes.
Okay, thank you.
That was the question for her?
Yeah.
You get it? All right, cool. All right, so it back down to the male side. Keeping a balloon?
Yeah, my next question for you still.
No, yeah, well, that's my question. You keeping a balloon?
No.
Yes, all right. You keeping your balloon? Yes. Down to you right now. Either you want to ask one question for each one of them, or are you going to pop one? Which one do you want to do? Pop one? All right, pop one. All right, come on to this side. Why you kept your balloon all along?
Because, from looking at her eyes, you see this sun before the day shine.
From looking at her eyes, you see the sun.
Before the day shine.
You get that?
So, it's not no hurt feelings. I don't like me, I got give a lower number.
All right. Why you pop his balloon?
I popped his balloon because he seems confused, meaning all he's focusing on, like what people would say about him, and that would drain me.
No, sweetheart. You see, nowadays, young people, them confused. They don't know what they want in a life. You see me? So therefore, me I try to get to know you, to see if you are one of those. You see me? So therefore, me I try to give you some different letters of the alphabet. When there is 26 letters in the alphabet, so me I try to make it 30 letters in the alphabet. You
Okay,
understand?
yeah, try add on to the letters.
Yes. So
Okay.
therefore, I'm not making you confused, but I'm making you a wiser mindset.
Okay, that's why I thought like that.
Yes.
How much would you rate it from 1 to 10?
To be honest, 7.
7 out of 10? Why 7?
His attire is open.
Okay.
If you do him have any glass, what happened to your eyes? Okay.
Okay, good.
Good.
How much would you rate her from 1 to 10?
Okay. 8.
8 out of 10?
Yeah.
Good?
Yeah.
Wasn't that much today? Walk with grace from now, please.
So, we are. Uma, you still look good. Nobody follow nobody. Don't lower your standards to nobody.
Good. Respect. All right, down. It's down to one male, all right? What I want you guys to do is ask each other questions. Serious, good question, all right? And we're going to see if you guys have a chemistry, have a spark, I don't know. Let's go. You go.
I feel a chemistry from your walk in a room, though, And I just want to know if the feeling mutual.
Go ahead.
Is the feeling mutual?
Yes.
Next thing, are you a go-go?
No.
Okay, because me hear the dog say race, so I just want to clarify. Is that me I say?
Oh, because you asked the question.
Yeah, so I just want to get that.
Yeah, I just wanted to know.
I feel our vibes, man,
Okay, that's...
Next one, next question. Are you an adventurous type of girl?
All depends.
All depends. Sexually, man. We don't like a boring thing, Is it me I deal with it?
I would answer you, but we're on TV. Maybe I could whisper it in your ears.
You can.
Yeah. Me can't tell you.
Okay.
If kids watch it.
Okay. Sometimes.
Okay.
What?
Shit, I get me nervous. Let me ask you.
No, hold on. What's his question?
Do you like slim girls or thick girls?
Achana, man. Me love every slim as well as fatty if that you like. Take her out of house. Slim. Slimmy thing there.
Okay.
You know what them say about the slim girl, them really?
No.
Alright, know where yourself. We're gonna find out one day.
Okay.
You think tough, you know?
Okay. Any more question for her?
Chips. Eat that.
Eat that?
Eat that.
Any more question?
No.
You don't want to ask him no more?
No more.
And that's it for you? Oh yeah, this toothpick gone? Okay. Alright then, Father. Let's make I ask my question now. Let's do this. Alright, so I'm gonna ask my question right now. Right? Is it how much for you?
I'm at fly, man. Yeah?
It's how much for you?
Yeah.
Cool. Is it how much for you?
Sure.
It's how much for you?
Sure.
We have a match? So we have a match? Yeah! So you can't up that stuff? Oh, whoa, come. Wow, that's crazy. All right, yo, hold on. We got a prize for her. We got a prize for her right now. On behalf of Zanex, that is for you. But it's Jewelry Company. It's located in Alpha Tree Park Plaza, so you can check them out right now. I don't know what's in the bag because it's very expensive. All right. So walk with grace from now. All right. Yo, live boss. We're doing good. All right, and I was kind of worried.
Yeah.
But we got it in the bag. Yeah. Wait then. Please like the video. Now wait. Thank you. Alright, so people, make sure you rate the lineup. You see, tell me what you think about the lineup. A long time I'm gonna ask, you know, how much you want to rate the lineup from 1 to 10, yeah? Rate my outfit because yo, come on, people. You don't have to tell me them things. How am I gonna know? And make sure you leave a like, subscribe. 300,000 subscribers. We can do this. Let's do it. We're all in this too. Alright? Yeah. Alright, I bring in the next female, alright? Good. Bring her to that side, yeah? Come to this side. Come to this side. Come to this side. Hello, right here. Introduce yourself.
My name is Fantasia.
Fantasia, what type of work do you do, Fantasia?
I just quit my job.
Okay, all right then. And when it comes down to a male though, what's your type?
Well,
You don't have a type?
no.
So you normally go for?
Nobody.
You don't normally go for a type? So when you see a guy, like, how do you go into a relationship with him? Like,
You have to know him.
oh, you have to get to know him, but it's not like his appearance?
Well, yeah.
That's what I mean. I say, what type of appearance do you like?
As long as you can put yourself together.
Self together.
I smell good.
Send, all right. And what's like a big red flag for you?
Stink.
All right. And what's a perfect first date a guy can bring you on?
Yeah, with food.
Anything with food? Restaurant. All right, then. No problem. All right, just shout out your social for me.
Which one?
Just to the camera. Just tell him your social.
Which camera?
No, that's the camera right there. Just, social. What's your social?
Fine shit, Asia.
All right, then, bet. We got some pop. We're going to find out why them pop the button. All right, let's go down to this side. All right, isn't it? No, you're going to come right, isn't it? All right, just use the mic here. Yeah? Mm-hmm. Good. All right, my G. Your name, why you pop your balloon?
One Danny Samarian, is it? Why really she ready still no joke. I can get it, man, but I just a young thing, is it? I just that, man. But you ready still, no joke.
What you mean, young thing?
The age. She have in her 20 or going her 30 or more.
Okay.
Just that, but you ready still, no joke.
Alright. How much would you rate her from 1 to 10?
Yeah, 8.5, man, really.
Why 8?
8, man. You see it?
What you like about her?
That's because the age gap, them put her at 8.5, you see it?
So tell me now what you like about her.
Nice, clean, sexy, buff beer, breasts.
Oh, she come from Portland?
The media understand me, man. You see it? She ready, man. She have a nice face, the wig look good and bag of her. Me that recipe on the side still, you see it?
That's crazy.
On the side?
Yeah.
That's crazy.
Oh, like what you mean?
Eh? I look a link. May I give you a link, man?
No.
Alright.
No.
What do you think about what he said?
Absolutely not. No, thank you.
Okay, how much would you rate him from 1 to 10?
7.
Not here.
7.
7 out of 10?
7.
Why 7?
I like the outfits.
Him outfit?
Mm.
How much him outfit?
I don't like it.
What you not like about it?
I like the shoes. I like the pants. I like a tattoo.
Oh, same shoes like a show you have.
The fit.
Oh, the everything. Oh, the fit. Okay. Is he your type though? No? Alright, good, good.
Yeah, that's good.
Alright. This side. Your name, why you pop? Your balloon?
One pum pum boss on the app. Probosci. Attack of the Toro in full effect.
Yeah, what? Your name what?
Happy pum pum boss. So, the reason as to why I pop my balloon still, before we even start, how old are you again?
18.
18. All right, fine. You stated that you don't have a type, which tells me that you're indecisive. I don't like a lady that is indecisive. I like woman who can actually lead, not lead over me, allow me to lead, but have a mind of your own. Because for the mere fact say show me say easily influenced, then you will listen to your friend them and give me bun. You know what I mean? I'm in the factory because you're easily manipulated. So, but separate and apart from that though, you have a few curves in the pound happening for you. I like them slim thick. I can see say you put out effort in terms of the lashes, the hairstyle, and the round face. Yeah, I kind of like the facial. And the lip gloss, the lips are very shiny. And I can see I have a little beauty spot there. Yeah.
Oh, you're very,
Expression style.
oh, you're very observant.
Very observant. But I don't like a lady that is indecisive. You need to have a mind of your own. So work on that, okay? Respectful.
And you say how much you rate her from 1 to 10?
On a scale of 1 to 10, I would give her a 9 because there's always room for improvement. And I mean, people still figuring out life. Like, she still have room for improvement. She still have room for growth. She still have room for development. So I mean, me not gonna bash her like that. As stated previously before, a few curves in the pound. Like magnet to steel, attract them guys.
Okay.
But like work on the indecisiveness. You know what I mean? Be a leader. Not lead over your man though. Allow him to lead. But have a mind of your own. That is it.
What do you think about what he said?
You're very well spoken. Love that. Yeah.
How much would you rate him from 1 to 10?
Too much. Too much I go in the outfit. That is first. Too much.
Too much I go on with him outfit.
Too much.
What about the outfit? You want to elaborate, expound? Wow. I'm an entertainer. So if you would like me to sing you a song, I can do that. You know what I mean? So this is expected, you know. And I like how you put it. Too much with the dressing.
Oh, you said less.
More. That's a lesson from you to me. I'll take that and keep that into mind. Thank you.
How much would you rate him from 1 to 10?
8.
8 out of 10?
Appreciate it.
Is he your type?
No.
Okay.
Good?
Good.
This side. Your name? Why you pop? Your balloon?
Yeah, one Andrew, Eldino, artist and designer, you see me? And while I pop my balloon, our mindset just a little bit too young for me and energy not much. Yeah.
Or energy, I feel like energy.
Yeah, energy does not connect. Like, what she say is like she not say nothing, like she not give me nothing for
Draw.
Yeah, drag to her, so energy not connect. Yeah.
Alright. How much would you rate her from 1 to 10 though?
Well, man, I like she look good. I swear she look good. Yo, Jano, yo, I something fat yo. Me give her a 10, bro. I swear. Yeah, she deserve it. Look good and she come out nice and clean and everything. Yeah.
Oh, so you're not looking at her face, yeah.
I'm like her smile too. She have a nice smile. Like a big nose with fit a nice small forehead, you know? Yeah, big up yourself. 10 I get. There you go.
What do you think about what he said and how much would you rate him from 1 to 10?
You have none to say, but what him say? 6.
6 out of 10?
6.
What? Why 6? Him give 10.
So?
True. Why 6
Never
though?
be honest.
Alright, why 6? No, you have a no. You just have to be honest.
I she confused with a number that she want to say.
No, I'm positive. I'm positive.
No, alright, why you give him 6 out of 10?
Very attractive. Unattractive.
Oh, him
You
out.
look like one stud. You look like one stud. Say yeah.
What I try to say?
Me I tell
Get to
you
the point.
exactly what me I try to say. You look like one stud.
Okay. Alright, good, good. Alright, good.
Can't tell her everything. She good, man.
Alright, come on to this side. Your name, wipe up your balloon.
Chemical J Music on all platform. Why really? Tights there. If she left me hard with that, when she come back, I would have dead. Heart attack.
Because our tights?
Yeah, the amount of man, me can't concentrate. Just that.
So why you
every
pop?
man them a say, you know, hear every man a say.
So why you pop your balloon?
The tights.
You pop your balloon because she are tight?
Yeah. If she left me hard with that, don't I say just most of the time. Talk it truth. No, say just most of the time. Oh, yeah, just.
No, man.
Oh.
Mostly pants.
Well, you can look, man, no one see you
No.
buff.
Alright.
Yeah.
And am I fault make you buff and stud?
Yeah, but you show everybody.
It would have did it regardless, darling.
No, but if you wear a pants and come,
Still
you know,
would
say they have a chance.
Let me I say.
You'd still see through the pants?
Okay.
You
Shots.
have to me alone.
Oh.
I don't feel away.
Okay. So how much would you rate her from 1 to 10?
Yeah, she have a nice body. She cute. She look nice. She put herself together. So, 7.
7 out of 10?
Yeah.
What do you think about what him say? How much should you rate him?
You sound insecure.
I'm not insecure, mama, but watch ya. Me
Well,
a man and me
think.
know, man, think.
Yes.
Step through my door, me I say, Jesus Christ.
What you say? What do you think about what him say? You say him sound insecure?
Definitely.
Based on
You're
how...
not sure what you're saying.
Me jealous.
Alright then.
Jealous,
Sweetheart.
bad,
Alright.
that me alone.
Definitely insecure. But that's okay.
Mhm.
It's okay.
How much should you rate him from 1 to 10? 6 out of 10?
That's not 6.
Small 6. And why? Why 6?
Me not really fancy. Not much we are going right as well. But
Okay. Okay. Alright. Bet. Is he a type though? No? Alright, good.
that's crazy.
Okay. This side. Come on to this side. Every man without a balloon, walk with grace, man, please. Yeah? Good on more. Alright, so we have 2 male right now, alright? So I want you to ask them questions and I want you to get to know them, alright? Good? I'm gonna ask them their name and I just want you to ask them questions and get to know them, alright? Good? Alright? Your name, IG?
Image Barber.
What's Image Barber name? Question?
You really have no question? At the moment.
For him? No question for him?
Why
You have woman?
You have woman?
Genuine question. Better question, actually. Do you have children?
I have 2 children.
Okay. All?
One at 13 and one at 6.
Okay. Okay.
Good. Decide. Your name?
My name is Moni Adalbas.
What's his question? Yeah. You can't ask him about the same question? You don't know you can ask him if he have.
You have kids, darling?
No, sorry.
Okay. You have woman?
Huh?
You have woman?
No, I don't. I'm single.
How much?
24. Yeah.
No more question? All right. All right. So, like how they write, so him can get for ask you a question, right? All right, bet. All right. You can ask her a question, my G.
Sweetie, do you want to settle down?
Mm-hmm.
All right. Next question. If I should take you on a date, where do you want me to take you?
Movies.
Okay, no problem. All right. What's your favorite meal?
I love every food.
Every food.
Okay, sweetie.
All right, good.
Okay, next.
All right. Good pause with the question here.
Okay.
Yeah. Decide. My G can get for ask her 2 questions, all right?
All right. What's your name again?
Fantasia.
Fantasia.
Mm-hmm.
What kind of work you used to do?
I was a counter clerk. Chicken and things.
One again?
Chicken and things. Counter clerk.
Contractor, chicken and things.
Counter.
Clerk.
Counter girl?
Mm.
So you used to like share out food?
Yes, sir.
Serve over the counter?
Mm-hmm.
Okay. I'm going to ask you one more question. School days ago?
Alpha.
Alpha? Okay.
That's it?
That's it.
All right, then. All right, my G. Like when I ask her the question, then, I'm going to put it over to she for pop 1 balloon, all right?
One?
Yes, pop 1 balloon. Just 1.
Yeah, take some time.
Okay, give you some time. Let's give her some time. All right. Why you kept the balloon all along?
She look good still, you know? Yeah, I like how she look. But she show me how when she go counter business, you know? I will go counter.
Oh, you know, like nobody work over the counter like a counter clerk?
But you know, I stand that low. I like people with more potential. Put your head higher. Wait to me. Try to reach to the limit. Don't stuck yourself on one level. You see me I say?
Yeah, but she say she no longer work there.
But I guess she got counter, you know. Why she never stay at the counter till she get her next work? She leave the counter so she gone lower than the counter now. You understand?
Oh, so she having no work right now. She'll there.
No, I forgot maintain she. Because she never work. Understand?
Okay.
Me now say man for maintain woman, you know. But guess what? I like woman with ambition. You get what I mean? And if me and her there, tell the honest truth, she tell me say she gonna leave her work, me gonna tell her I say keep her work. Try if you get her next work. You get what I mean? Yeah, why you don't go back to school? Try do some nursing, try do some something. Elevate up more.
Okay.
You know what I mean?
Alright. Why you pop his balloon?
Not interested.
Alright. How much would you rate him from 1 to 10 though?
5.
5 out of 10? Why 5?
5. Not interested.
And based on his appearance, is a 5 or what?
Way too short. But me look over him head.
Okay.
I look over him head.
Alright, bet.
You bleach.
Yeah.
That is a no-no.
Alright. Wasn't that much today, my G? Walk with grace from now. All right, so we're down to one male right now, all right? So you guys are gonna get a chance to ask each other a question, please. I'm gonna let him ask you a question first, but I want you to ask him back a question, all right? Good? Because you left him alone, right? So it must be a reason why you left him. Good? Yeah. All right, Money Idol. You get a chance to ask her a question.
Okay, what kind of gentleman you like?
Somebody with have sense, have an education, first
Yeah.
of all. Smell good, clean. I have a head for your body.
Okay, cool. All right. All right. So, therefore, I am feeling your energy. Have you asked me a question already? Do you feel my energy? Hmm?
No.
So, if I take you on a date, would you like that?
Probably.
Is it a yes or no, sweetie?
Hold on. When I reach a say yes, when I reach a say yes. All right, so you're gonna get to ask him a question, all right? Come on, you got it. Let's go.
Where you come from?
Westmoreland?
Not that far.
Don't worry about the distance.
Okay.
The distance don't have any credit. Okay?
Okay.
No credit?
Yes.
So you do long distance relationship?
That's right.
Okay.
But the distance have credit once you do long distance.
It don't have any credit because if I want she near to me, I have to be there for he. And if she want me to be there for her, she gotta accept me. So okay, we're gonna come together and make a lovely relationship. We're not gonna make a fussy relationship to you can't go and check me, you can't go and this, you can't go that. If she want to see me, she gonna see me. If I want to see her, she gonna make the time for me to see her. Okay?
You understand?
Yeah.
Oh, okay. All right. That's good. Once you get it, I'm good. All right? All right. So, you all right? Yeah? I'm going to ask my question right now. Is it a match for you, my G?
Yeah.
It's a match for you?
Yeah.
It's a match for you?
Yeah.
Is it a match for you?
No.
Is it a match for you?
No.
Oh, you have a pop his balloon. You have a pop his balloon.
Before you pop it? Before you pop it? Why it's not a match?
Well, I'm going to get that.
No. Before she
No.
pop it. Before.
No, she
Before, suppose she can. We not get back in a balloon. Make she start. Why it's not a match?
No, but it have a pop first.
Just one.
Yo.
Just one.
We need
Just
it.
force it.
Well,
Why
Anna,
it's not a match?
I need a pick. Well, Anna.
Why it's not a match?
Yeah, I don't got to alone.
Yeah. Why it's not a match?
All right. First, I have to ask why you kept your balloon all along.
Because I see a future.
You see a future with her?
Yeah.
You like what you see?
Yeah.
Is she a type though?
Yeah. She is like, all right. If you buy a bucket at store, you have to know what you're going to do with that bucket, don't?
Mm-hmm.
So I see her out here, so I know what I'm going to make love with her from start. You see me? So therefore, I'm not going to play like me an idiot.
Oh, so when you see her, you think about making love with her?
Yes.
Okay.
Because she said she have a pretty heart. So therefore, I wouldn't, I already don't see that.
Okay. All right. Why you pop? Hold on.
Someone I look upon today, when me I look upon 10 years.
All right, then good. Why you pop his balloon?
Too short.
Is him height?
Mm-hmm.
And that's it?
Mm-hmm.
Just is,
So they put the height behind everything. What is it?
The eyes.
use a mic?
Height behind height.
Yeah, put it there and it
No,
in front of me.
put it behind height. Put it behind height. What is it?
The height.
No, skip the height. Just skip it.
No, she can't skip the.
height,
No, she
the
can't.
height. No, she can. She can. It must. All right. What's your favorite color? What's your favorite car? What's your favorite car?
Car?
Yeah.
Civic.
Why you never like Benz or Beamer?
They're too common. Everybody wants them.
Okay. You have a reason. So why put the height behind it?
No, cause she like what she like. That's what she say. She like what she like.
Stop put, brother. Are you gonna make relationship work? You know. You I call and no I to get me back her balloon, please. We want one balloon, cause she need to come out of sad zone.
What you mean? No, what you mean? No, alright.
I'm not talking about sad as in sad.
Why you say me to make relationship? What me do?
Because you put words in your mouth and you know what you
Bro, me not put no words in her mouth. You nah come over here, come cuss me. Because me make people fall in love over here.
No.
What you mean?
You know what I said? Her words is like a tattoo.
Alright then. Why you pop his balloon? Because of his height.
Right.
And what again?
Just that. She don't like your height, bro. How much would you rate him from 1 to 10?
6.
6 out of 10? Is he your type?
Mm-mm.
No. Alright then. Good? It wasn't that much today? Walk with grace for me now, please.
Thank you.
Alright.
Pick up yourself, bro. You're still nice. Know what I feel like? We can talk after here? Okay. Can we talk after here? Okay.
Alright. Someone have. Not for ask. Okay, then money idol, give me a minute. Whenever I get for ask you, how much would you rate her from 1 to 10 though?
Great already, sir. Check your video.
Okay. Alright, good. Walk with grace. How much would you rate her from 1 to 10?
6.
6? Alright. Alright then. Why you popping balloon? Tell the truth now, he's not here.
Not interesting.
Oh, he's not his height?
Everybody.
Oh, so because everybody know him. Oh, say, you know, want a man on the media. So why you never just say it?
In short.
And him there on the media.
Amazing.
Okay. It wasn't that much today? Walk with grace for me now, please. Like boss, him never wants you go.
Yeah, for real.
What you mean? Me not make people fall in love. I'm here the problem.
He's just tripping, bro. He's just tripping.
Make sure leave a like. Wait then. Please like it. Now wait. So people want a final hug, you see it? Remember me telling you, the studio bill will go up, so sometimes we have to cut the thing short, yeah? So when you see me, PayPal link below, I put my cash up too. Because then they say when you have cash up, you see it? So give me a hug, because I love you, yeah? And remember, we want to do a part 2 for the TikTok edition. So when you see me cash up below, no, yeah, you can send a little cafe money, but, you know, double it, triple it, yeah? Got it night. Let's go. Bring in the next female for me now. Alright, my G, just wait until she reach right there, so. Yeah? Good. Bring her in. Come to this side. Right here. Introduce yourself.
Hi, my name is Alyssa. I'm a student nurse. And I'm also a secretary for my mom's business place.
Oh, that's good. That's good. All right, when it comes on to your type though, Alyssa, what's your type in men?
All right, so I like tall men. You have to be over me. And I don't really mess with light skin, but also I like dark skinned men more.
Okay, all right. And what's the biggest red flag?
My biggest red flag is a man that is a capper.
Capper?
Like a man will tell lie on him lifestyle, or a man that just tell life for nothing. I not like Kappa. If you know you're not drive, you just don't drive. If you know you're not no money, you just not no money. Yeah.
All right. And what's like a perfect first date for you?
Perfect first date, you can bring me to Strawberry Hills or you can bring me to a hotel or the beach. Yeah.
Okay. All right. All right. All right. So we got some pop.
You're shot. Why you so bad, man, boy?
Okay. All right, bro. Good?
I want the girl bust your balloon.
Good? Come. All right. So we got some pop. We're going to find out why them pop the balloon. Shout out the social.
Okay, so my name is 5-star on all social media, TikTok and Instagram.
All right. Good. We'll start with right here. Your name, why you pop your balloon?
You know, so image bar, I like I still nice, but I not really dig fat girls still, you know.
I'm not fat, I'm thick.
Alright, anything what you say. Me just say fat still. You see, I like nurse now. Yeah. Cause my baby mother is my nurse. You know what I mean? Yeah, 2 of them. So I guess I go for the nurse them. But she say she not like dark skin and she not like short man. I'm short. So I guess my out of race.
Yeah. So you say our body type.
And I'm my type.
Okay. All right. How much should you rate her from 1 to 10 though?
I give her 10, you know, because she's a nurse.
10?
Yeah, because she's a nurse, remember.
Oh,
No class, she a try to reach somewhere, and her mother business, and she deal with it.
So she operate it.
Alright.
So you as a sugar and get it over
So
in her head.
She a try to make things meet. And not her mother drop out of the business, she take it over and still do it. And I try to reach further in it, so she have her head piece.
You like them thing then?
Yeah, them thing them really go far.
Okay. Ambition and
ambition. My father grew me good enough. Yeah. My brother threw my barber and I'm a certified plumber same way. Yeah, you get that? Yeah.
Okay. What do you think about what he said and how much would you rate him?
Alright, so he's been honest and I love that he's been honest and he's been very respectful. So and I'm going to rate him a 9 out of 10. I like him
Thanks brother still, you know.
And even though him is short, him is not ugly, so yeah, him deserve the 9.
Alright, I still get 10 same way.
Alright.
Good.
Is he a type though?
No, because he's short.
She a
But
type.
if him be taller, him would have been my type. If him be taller.
Okay. Alright. It wasn't that much, my G. Well, I could guess someone now. Alright, then we'll go down the line. Right here. Right here, son.
Oh, right.
Oh, yeah, right. Your name, why you pop your balloon?
Just as I find my match, you know. But all because she said me short.
Just as say you find a match?
Yeah. Me tell you she look good,
pop
come
the,
on right
pop
and
the balloon
everything.
too quick.
But me and your types anyway. You say you know
You
like
could have
short
still
man.
try. Suppose you charm me.
Suppose me can get back a balloon.
Well, if you want to take back your balloon, fine.
Yeah? That can go on?
No, she have to agree on it.
Yeah, if you want to take back in balloon.
No, you have to...
Yeah, I agree him take back in balloon and try.
Okay, alright. Give him more... No, you have one? This is for you. Alright, good.
Yeah, give me a heart now, you know.
Alright, come down the line. Right here. Your name, why you pop your balloon?
Happy Pum Pum Boss, Attack of the Torah in full effect. All right, so let's just be clear, respectfully.
Yeah.
I won't take anything from you. You're very beautiful. You're very ambitious. I love the drive. I love the ambition. But you see that colored ear something that give me a go-go vibe.
Oh, let me rephrase that for you. Thursday gone was my birthday, so
Happy
I tried
birthday.
a colored wig.
Happy birthday.
Thank you.
Before me forget. But first impression last. Perception is a level thing.
Well,
So the impression when me get from it, me just actually put
but
it
you know
out
you
there.
can't judge a book by its cover though.
That is so true. That's why conversation is needed. Like we're currently having that now. I love the fact that you're a nurse. So if I'm sick, God forbid, you can handle business. I kind of love the outfit. But I don't like how you show my legs them too much still. Because it's for my eyes only.
Your legs?
My legs, of course. As I say, me popping the balloon actually take away nothing from you still because you have the ambition, you have the drive. You say you're a nurse and
Student nurse.
a student nurse.
Graduating this year.
And some secretary thing where did say, refresh me on that.
Yeah, my mom and my grandmother has a business place, and I'm the secretary.
Right. Me like girls who actually have ambition. And me like the fact, or should I say, love the fact where you say you don't love a capper. If you don't drive, don't pretend as if you drive or you own a vehicle.
Mm-hmm.
I kind of like that something there. I mean, tell me a little more about this.
No, you pop your balloon, so you can't do.
No, but suppose there's an interest.
No.
In terms of the conversation.
Oh, yeah. Yeah, but it have to stop here now.
Not a problem.
Yeah.
I'll cooperate.
All right, so how much would you rate her from 1 to 10?
On a scale of 1 to 10, I'll give you a 9. Grace.
9.
Thank you.
Yeah.
What do you think about him?
Alright, so as I said, you're very respectful. I love that. And I rate him an 8 out of 10.
8 out of 10?
Yeah.
Highly
He's handsome.
Highly appreciate it.
So you were saying you want back a balloon?
Most definitely. Why not?
It's up to you. Do you want him to get back his balloon?
Alright, make him try again.
Okay, all right. Here's it.
All right, so balloon.
All right, hold on. Me I go come circle back. All right. So come on this line. You right?
Mm-hmm.
Your name? Why you pop your balloon?
Chemical J Music on all platforms. People, follow and subscribe to Chemical J Music. Rolly, she not see me.
What you mean?
She passed me and tell the man, if you take back him balloon. Oh, God.
No, him want
But
back him.
I tell him, say, no. She see somebody, she papa ready. She should have tell him, no. She see me as she like tall man and she see me as with the balloon still so. Oh, God, mama, man. You break my heart.
Really now?
Of course. Why you think me there, so? Me know me have to beat him because I'm short. So, you see me?
Oh, so basically, you say the decision what she said for give him back a balloon, you say was a wrong thing to do.
Because she see me with my balloon and go and tell him now.
I told him to take back his balloon to try again. Him pop him
Him
balloon because I want
no
stupid
chance.
mistake.
A balloon and him bust it, him not have a chance. You understand?
I gave him an next chance to try again. That's all I did.
Well, you look good at everything still.
Thank you.
Yeah, give her a 8.
8 out of 10? What you like about her?
She just good, she cute, and she ambitious. So,
Is she a type though?
yeah, man, she nice. Then I tell her all say she break my heart, brother. Oh God, man, and then she go and tell her the Jesus, please.
Okay, all right. How much would you rate him from 1 to 10?
I rate him a 7 out of 10.
Why 7?
Alright, he's very handsome, but him gave away him chance of 7. Him could I get the full 10 if him be still having balloon.
Yeah, but he's saying that it was your decision making pop it.
Yeah, I know, but you should have still keep your balloon.
I feel that way. I'm jealous, mama. I'm jealous.
A January me born was very jealous too.
A January me born too.
See, you give away a chance.
So I'm jealous bad. See?
Okay. All right then. So it wasn't that much, my G. You know what you have to do? Walk with great summoner. Wow. This side. Come down to this side. All right. So the man them just smaller brothers. Yeah. So it's up to you right now, all right?
Mm-hmm.
So I'm gonna give you a pick, and you're gonna pop one balloon based off appearance. All right?
All right.
This is for you. Go ahead.
All right. So him right here is too short, so I'm gonna pop your balloon.
Okay. All right. Your name?
Money Idol boss.
Why you kept your balloon all along?
Because it's just a chance.
Yeah.
You see me? She said she no want no shot, man. But guess what? I stand up. And she was saying, I fully want to see. But she confused because she sent back her ex them pick her fruit.
Oh, okay.
Remember say person them bust them balloon already, you know. That means that they never even want her in first. So therefore, the person then left for her. And then she asked them to go for backy balloon.
I didn't ask.
You asked.
I just agreed on
You
it.
remember saying, it's me are the only person in a bus with balloon.
Mm-hmm.
And you send back your ex them to go for balloon.
And you say X, why you say X?
Because I'm ex. Ex. Remember say person them pop them balloon.
Okay.
So, it's like, in short on specific clothes, say you know one that in a house, you put on back. And then two see him friend over there, so have on one. He go back for see him clothes and show the door. So you know make up in mind. Somebody have to poke him for make up in mind.
Poke him?
Right. Right.
Poke him?
Yes, poke her. Somebody have to dead down to her like a plate. You know when you have scrape with a plate, you go wash it? So somebody have to down to her. But it's right. I tell you this, you know make up your mind. And even if you pick one of them, just believe me, say, you no make up your mind. You love too much X's.
Alright.
Spell X.
EX.
Spell X.
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 Good. You still spell it same way.
Okay. EX and X spell the same way?
No. You hear me? Make sure repeat it. She X. X. So she give it 2 times. Okay. So therefore, you know, spell different.
Okay.
And remember, when you send for your balloon back, them I go, see him where you get her pay up.
Okay.
And if you choose one of them, remember say, it's still a go have a fault. And remember, this is TV. This is not bedroom story.
Okay. All right.
So,
All right.
So
good.
pick up yourself.
Yeah, hold on. Good. Why you pop his balloon?
I pop his balloon because he's not my type. He's too short.
Yeah.
Too short.
Too short.
Yeah.
Extremely short?
Yeah.
Okay. And how much would you rate him from 1 to 10?
I rate him a 7. You see him dressed nice.
Mm-hmm.
Yeah, and I rate him a 7.
7 out of 10?
I have an important question for you, sir.
Alright.
You say me too short, not true?
Yeah.
Say, everybody asleep right now.
Mm-hmm.
Me and you there for a reason.
Mm-hmm.
And you drop down.
Mm-hmm.
Listen.
Mm-hmm.
Remember, me have my car key for me. Just listen. Me not bribe there with my car key.
Alright.
And you drop down. Who do you want me to take you to the hospital? Yes or no?
No, listen now. Listen. If me drop down and something happen to me, it's up to you if you remember I am unconscious.
No, you gotta pick your struggles right now.
Alright.
It is a yes or no. Who do you want me to?
Of course I would want someone to help me.
What? No, me ask about me. Me and you stand up right here, sir.
Alright.
You drop down.
Mm-hmm.
Who do you want my assistant?
If you're there to help me, yes.
Yes or no?
If you're there to help me, yes.
We are talk right here, sir. And say everybody asleep right now.
Yeah.
And me and you there start talk. You drop down right here, sir. Who do you want my help?
Of course.
Okay, why would you want a short person help you? Not like a short person.
Here, Omega said to you now. Yes, I don't want you to be my man because you're not my type. So at least I'm being honest with you that I don't want you instead of just take you and me don't want you. I rather a girl take you and don't want you. I want a girl take you and want you.
Yes, in this
yes,
life.
No, answer that. Answer
that question there. You don't want a girl that take you and don't want you. Or you want a girl that take you and want you.
Take me and want
me. Okay.
Cause guess
so
what?
she do the right thing then, right? Alright, good?
She do the right thing.
Alright then. And how much you do rate him?
7.
7? And you rate her already, right? How much you do rate her?
7.
7? Alright then. Was it that much today? Walk with Grace from now?
The ball score, but she hesitate. Give me winning key.
Alright. Yeah. Security. Alright, so we have 3 males right now. So what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna ask them their name. If you never hear them name before, and you're gonna ask them questions, alright? 2 questions each. Good? Let's go. My G, can you repeat back your name?
Eldino.
2 questions for Eldino.
Alright, so first question is, you have a girlfriend, she's going to college. she going to college and don't live far from each other. Me live at Kingston and you live at Mobile. Is it okay with long distance relationship? Would you be okay with that?
Yes.
You
Because
sure?
you're still in the same country. Yeah.
One more.
Second question is, are you the type of male that you know to treat a woman?
Yes.
You sure you know to treat her how you treat a woman?
Yes. As in, carry out, make you feel happy. Always motivate you. You see me? Take care of your body.
Alright.
And your beauty.
Alright.
Good?
Yeah.
Alright. Don't do this side. Your name?
Robert.
Okay.
I mean, previously I told you, Happy Pum Pum Boss, but with all due respect, it's Robert.
Okay, Robert.
So you earn it in terms of knowing my real name.
So it's not Happy Pum Pum now?
It's Robert
Precisely.
now. Alright, okay, Robert. So, my question for you is that if you have a nice girl, she's doing everything for you. She cooks, she cleans, she washes everything. She's treating you nice. Would you cheat on that girl? Be honest.
No, in my view, I strongly believe in the reciprocation of energy. So energy never tell a lie. So if me, based on my observational skills, see how you put out the effort and you go 100% and beyond for me, then it would just be fair enough for me to return back the same energy. Reciprocation.
Okay.
You know what I mean? Yeah.
And my second question for you, this probably sound away, but mega.
No problem.
Is
Ask
the type
it.
of man that spend by a woman? I'm not a gold digger, I'm just asking.
Then no one happy pum pum boss for the app, man. I want to tell you, if you deserve it, then why not? If you earn it, then why not? Cash there
So
to
if it's
spend.
a case where you're there with a girl, but you're not there now in a relationship, but to you she don't deserve your money, but you get up and you have sex with this girl 2 times a week, 3 times a week, or whatever, and she living in your house today, but you don't deserve your money. You're not going to give her any money?
First of all, I'm not gonna have sex with you unless the character is right, intact.
Okay.
Personality comes next. Be very observant. Me not just fling my dick anywhere, darling. My dick have common
Manners.
courtesy. You
It
know
have
what I mean?
manners.
Right. It's not a careless dick you're getting. You get a dick that is
Dear.
priceless. And by the way, just to add, twin run in the family here. So one go equal few, not two.
Dear.
Okay. All right. Good. Let's go. Your name, IG?
Danny Somarian on all platform, is it?
Remember you're telling me your name.
Sorry, Danny Somarian on all platform.
Alright. So my question for you is alright. My question. Okay, so my question for you is I gotta ask back a question and I ask the person, would you be in a long distance relationship?
Kingston, what do you do, man?
Suppose me live at Kingston.
Oh, a long distance?
Yeah.
Yeah, man.
You sure?
Mm-hmm.
And you wouldn't cheat on her?
Yeah, me, you know.
Oh,
Worse than I
alright.
like you.
Alright. And my second question for you is, you're dating a girl that goes to college, right? I don't know what type of work you do or whatever, but you're dating a girl that goes to college. Would you help her pay her tuition?
Help her? Yeah.
Or would you pay it?
Pay
Are you that
everything, pay everything.
My dear,
How much for the tuition, by the way?
does my tuition, it a whole heap of money.
What you call a whole heap?
Almost a mil. If you run it off,
Me
it's
help her it
almost a
off.
mil. Okay.
Good?
Yeah.
All right. Come to this side. All right. So you asked each of them a question. Pop one balloon based on the answer that you didn't like. All right. So pop one based on the answer that you got.
Where you hide the balloon from me?
Really, after me I say my spirit take this a girl like my spirit take me like my spirit take woman really because me turn idiot, you know. Really, Jesus.
Yeah.
Really, 500,000 tuition, really, you must know say I really like me like this. Jesus, really, man. I can't, no more.
All right. Why you kept the balloon all along?
Because I just You see, true shall look innocent too. I know when them innocent, them a parasite, you know. Meaning not in a bad way, not the house way, you know, the bed way, yeah. You see me I say?
Oh, like she spread bed and everything there?
Me leave it to the comment section, yeah. Comment section will tell you, yeah, man.
Okay.
Let me talk.
Alright.
So that's why you kept it all out. So if how you feel that you popped it?
How me feel, Rolly? Jesus Christ, Rolly, man. She take me out of lover boy again. Me didn't love just now, but boy.
So you just meet me in love with me already? That's not love, baby.
Ever go in a close story to you just see that one shirt there, I said, Jesus Christ, me can't.
I
Just like your
understand.
hairstyle, you say you want to wear for your birthday.
Yeah.
Yeah, that type shit.
Oh, so you feel alright then. Why you pop his balloon?
Alright. I pop a balloon because, as I said before, I'm not really into light skinned men. I kind of like them kind of dark, or a little bit dark. Yeah, I'm not really into the light skin. Man. I didn't make no sense. I make you keep a balloon and make eventually pop it. So, but you're a very nice person, to be honest. Based on how you talk to me and how you answer my question, I really like that.
How much would you rate it from 1 to 10 though?
Alright, so I'm going to give him a 9 because he's very handsome. But him fit now, give me the fit check. You know?
Team fit. Him fit good.
Not to me, have different style and everything. But him fit alright, for be honest, you know. But just
So you that change about it?
the shirt and the shoes.
Okay, alright then.
Yeah, man. You know, I like it, judge. Yeah, you know, when you go all out when it come as a female, make them come and see what them see and accept it. You see?
Okay.
Yeah. And then them see greatness after. So when you know, just like a man when you're there, yeah, then nah go active, you know, but you see as a guy, a girl, yeah, they know you're well active.
Okay.
Yeah, so I just see
But
now.
I'm going to say something. You're coming on live TV, man.
Right, don't judge a
Yeah.
book. See there
No,
again?
I'm not judge a book
See
by
there
the
again?
No, but I'm not judge a book by the cover, you know, but you say you know come out because you want the female in for accepting who are.
No, me say you have
First
to accept where you
impression
see.
come
Where you
first.
see, you have to accept.
First impressions come first.
Okay, alright then. How much would you rate it from 1 to 10? 9 out of 10. Alright, my G. Wasn't that much today? Walk with grace for me, please. Oh, you rate her? Alright, how much would you rate her from 1 to 10 though?
10, man, really, man.
10.
Jesus Christ, really. But look bad, bro. May I say it earlier, I say me like it, but you see it worse not.
Alright, my G. Alright, my G. Walk with grace for me, please. Alright, so it's down to the males right now, alright? They're gonna ask you questions and they're gonna get to know you, alright? Males, ask serious question because she asked some sensible question, alright? Let's go. Come down to this side. What's the question for her?
Do you have kids?
No, I don't.
How old are you? How old are you?
I turned 20 Thursday gone.
So if me was to be together in a relationship, what you expect from me?
Okay, so I expect honesty. I like men that are affectionate.
Yeah.
I like men that are respectful. And I like men that spend on women because I don't like me a careless girl.
Yeah.
So I deserve your money.
Yeah.
Alright.
So you can cook?
Of course. Clean everything.
I can wear. Like.
But that no mean say me go come in your yard and I wash your clothes them every minute.
So
when you say you can't read what
you can't throw them in the machine though.
You can fuck.
Eh?
Can fuck.
Would have to talk about that off here. I don't really expose certain things on the media.
So you're controlling and them thing there?
No, I'm not controlling, but I'm jealous. I'm head mad.
Your head mad?
Yeah.
So like something like my type, you know?
Head mad?
Like
yeah, me warrior and them thing there. And if you cheat on me, I come for you and your girl brawling.
Them way there, yeah. Me like that.
You like that?
Yeah, me like that.
You that get physical?
Feel like I'm
yeah, with a fighting, with a yam them up.
fit. Yeah.
You like that?
Yeah, me like them thing there. Like we should have yam me up.
Okay.
I didn't mean that
Okay,
way though.
alright. Well, okay, we'll go on this side. Alright, my G. What's the question for her?
Alright, so you stated that you can cook.
Mm-hmm.
You go for man run one part, brawling, etc., etc. My question to you, refresh me on the age again. How old are you?
I'm 20. I turned 20 Thursday
20.
gone.
All right, very nice. Are you a mean woman?
Mean? No, very kind. Very kind.
Very
Man, I
kind.
mean, very kind.
Okay, no capping. Very
No.
kind.
I can't just tell you something like cap and a cap.
Okay, are you the considerate type?
Yeah.
All right,
I'm a have
sin.
conscience.
And you have no kids, as previously
No,
stated.
I don't have any kids.
Where do you see yourself though, 5 years from now, being a practitioner nurse?
All right, 5 years from now, I see myself working as a nurse, same way, and in the future, I would like to own a plaza, so I'm working towards that.
Nice.
Yeah, I'm
So,
very
like,
business minded.
very nice. So like, growing up, I mean, you always wanted to become a nurse?
Always, because I love helping people. It's a passion for me. I always wanted to be a nurse because I love helping others.
Okay, you believe in hospitality.
Yeah, I do.
Very nice. I mean, you're very sweet. May I feel the energy. But just work on a go-go hairstyle, you know
You're
what I
gonna
mean?
leave my go-go hairstyle alone. It was a birthday hairstyle. I don't normally wear colored wigs.
As stated before, perception is I never think, but as
Yeah.
you stated before, don't judge a book by its cover.
Cover, yeah.
Which, when you bring the dots together, we get a connection, we establish it.
Okay.
I mean, let me see those nails.
Oh, them are grow out now.
Very nice. Let me see in the middle of in the hand. You can see say the money woman, the M print out. Very nice. But I see a whole lot of scars here.
Alright.
Tell me about that.
We won't
if you care to
disclose
share.
that on the media, but I've been through a lot growing up, and it lead me into a depression stage, and depression lead you for the whole heap of things that you don't want to do.
Which is understandable.
Mm-hmm.
Me see with a gun symbol on your necklace there. I mean,
Okay, so this is just a pendant that I like. I don't know if it's a Matic or a Glock, but it looked like one out of the two, and I like those two type of guns.
so moreover, why you swerve over onto the gangster side? Is it that you grew up with a lot of boys?
Alright, it's not that I grew up with a lot of boys, but I grew up that way. Them mother and father are gangster. Them, I not really say them are gangster, but them have them type of vibes in them. So probably I them get it from.
Okay. But you know, if you're gonna roll with the happy pum pum boss, we need the more
Girly
feminine
vibe?
side.
Okay, me, I'm not really feminine, but I behave like a girl. I not behave like me a man.
Yeah, but me not gonna want a masculinity something.
There's nothing masculine about me, baby. If I'm around you, I'm going to behave like a girl.
Oh, very nice. You know,
Yeah.
adjust.
Okay.
Yeah.
All right then. Good. All right, that was the last one. All right.
That's understandable. Okay, fair enough.
All right, come down to this side. All right. So the man, them, you guys just asked a question. I want to know: are you keeping your balloon?
Yeah.
Yeah. Are you keeping yours?
Precisely.
All right. So it's back to you right now. I'm gonna ask you 2 questions. All right. Do you want to ask any one of them more questions, like one question,
No.
or you want to pop one?
I'm going to pop because I already
Know who you're
Fine.
going for?
Yeah.
All right, and you have the pick? Why you keep on giving me the pick? That's a problem. I can't find it. Oh, that you are the problem. No. All right, can I get a pick from you, Maggie? Good. All right, then. Pop one balloon that you're not feeling. You know who you're going for. Very nice.
Is a reason why I did that though.
Okay, all right, come on to this side. Maggie, I have to ask you, why you kept your balloon all along?
I mean, we're all humans, and change is inevitable. And I see something in her that tells me that as she tread a long life journey, she can change. I mean, a few adjustments can be made. I mean, with the what you call it now, words and expression from me. But then and again, she popped my balloon, so that is more like hopeless. Yeah, but big up yourself, baby. Yeah, nice interacting with you.
All right. All right, I have to ask you why. You're popping balloon, but why you make him go back for a balloon first?
Alright, the reason I make him go back for a balloon because I saw that he's really interested in me, and he might give me some good answers. And he might vibe. Okay, fine. Him, if they are give me some good answer or something. Oh, him answer me, him seems like a good person.
Mm-hmm.
So I give him a chance to go back again and try again.
Okay, all right then.
All right.
And why you pop his balloon?
Because him say I really like gangster girl and it's a thing that is in me. Even though I'm tell him say if I dey around him, I'm not gonna really behave like a gangster girl. But that's something in me. And if I don't like them type of girl, you can't really be around them.
But just to interject, remember we spoke about adjustment?
Yeah.
Right, so if
But
you had that in
we
mind.
spoke about adjustment after.
Right.
After you told me all of that,
Yeah.
you spoke about
That's
adjustment.
true. That's true. I'm like how you follow, which tells me that you take strict observation of things.
Of course, I'm very
That's
observant.
another stripe I give you on the shoulders, yeah?
Thank you.
All right, how much would you rate him from 1 to 10 though?
9 out of 10. I told you already, Rolly. I told you that he's very handsome, so I'm going to give him a 9 out of 10.
Is he your type though?
Thank you.
Not really, but he's very handsome.
All right, so if he approached you outside of here though, would he have gotten your number?
I don't really sure, because if you see me on the road and a man a call to me, I probably don't answer you because it's just some mistake. But I don't know. I don't know. I don't really answer to people when they see me on the road.
Well, for me, determination is always present. It's not a thing of the past. If you move like you don't want to answer, I make you answer.
Mm-hmm.
Okay.
And don't ask me how me I gonna do it. Just know, say how magically it's gonna be done.
Mm-hmm.
All right, why? All right. How much would you rate her from 1 to 10 though?
On a scale of 1 to 10, I'll give her a 9. Fair enough.
Is she a type though?
Yeah, but you don't know the wig, go perception. But separate and apart from that, she's good.
Oh, you're
A
talking.
little adjustment can be made.
Oh, just because of her color wig and the wig, you're saying that it give you a...
give me an impression, but she fix it.
Okay, she fix it.
With the explanation and expression, of course. She fix it.
All right,
So
so
that's good for me.
all right, so it wasn't that much today? Well, good grades from me, please.
Nice and easy.
Down to this side. All right, my bro. Was it an accident? The pop?
No, my pop it. Because
Okay, all right, hold on. Why you kept the balloon all along though?
I like her, she look nice. And yeah, she in high class. But she slip up and she slip too far. You see me? Slide. Yeah.
And why you pop your balloon all of a sudden?
She should have known what she want from she step right. I say, you see me? She had talk too long to that guy. And she had show attraction, you see me?
Show attraction?
Yeah, she too toxic. Like she da give it away.
Bro, you just say you like toxic things.
Yeah, but she too toxic, man. She past toxic. Like, she spoil too much.
Spoil too much?
Too spoil, like, like she da give her a chance. Like, in the street, you see her, you say something to her, like...
I just told you that I don't talk to strangers on the road. I just said it a while ago.
I feel like she lied to her, like, you know? Because she could have just passed and just come to me and just...
No,
accept
it
me.
don't really work
Because you know
like
you
that.
don't want him already. So, you know, it makes sense I reason with him so long I'm there.
And I say me I reason with him
and
too
then you
long.
tell him, so him look like him have a chance, so you give him back a balloon and things. It's like, and then you go back go reason with him again. That just show me.
Oh, that show you are.
Yeah, come there, wait, you know, man. But
You should have continued.
How much did you rate her from 1 to 10 though?
give her a 10.
10 out of 10?
Nice, yeah.
Is she a type? Bro, you go back for a balloon and then you have a balloon long. Is she a type, bro?
I give you dislike her because what she do. Show me off. Right, me off like when, you know, being me out of front there wait and she was right there off. Right.
Okay. What do you think about what he said?
All right, I get what you're saying, but remember that Rolly just said he's going to ask one last question before. So I was just working with that same. I got asked one last question, so I just wanted to hear what he was saying. But say that you may go pick.
But the last question...
You should have picked up that long time.
The last question just go too far, like...
What do you mean it go too far?
I can turn your back on me, bro.
I never turn my back on you. You turn your back on me.
If it was the last question, it wouldn't so attractive. You would have done get read fast and just say...
But a she popping balloon?
Say, I'm screw up my face, but I'm not that type of girl. I'm very jovial.
But you say you don't talk when you're there in the street. But to me say there's a reason with him, it's like it show me say... Different. Show me a difference. Like, you lie. Something in night, yeah, in the truth.
I just wanted
Can
to
you say
hear.
it was
Suppose me there tease you to see what you're gonna do.
That was not easy because when you see somebody you like, you go for them.
All right. How much would you rate him from 1 to 10?
I rate him a 9 out of 10.
9 out of 10.
Yeah, because I'm popping balloons
So-
in the 10 gone.
Is he a type though?
Yes, but only thing him just shot, but yeah, I'm a type.
Would you have gone with him? All right then. All right, no problem. All right, it wasn't that much of them, IG. Walk with Grace Woman. Oh my gosh, like you, I think you had it in the bag.
I did. Him really him had the problem.
Him say you're toxic.
But him toxic too.
All right then.
And him say him like toxic things, so him shouldn't pop him balloon. And him
yeah.
like toxic things.
And yeah, him know what you're capable of.
Exactly.
All right then, it wasn't that much. No, you have to do. Walk with Grace. Give me this. All right then. People, big up on yourself at the end of the video. I love you. Thank you for making it to the end of the video. And for those who subscribe, thank you for subscribing. Finally, you subscribe, all right? Even if you're not your conscience not bad, you. If you're not subscribed, you can't. Come on, please. Don't want me slap my cameraman. Please, subscribe. I'll know. Hold on the camera. See what you cause? Just subscribe now. Please. I love you. God and I like all the time. Thanks for watching. Remember, Mobile next week. You see me? If you have any business, connect me. And my ear says St. Elizabeth, Westmoreland good again. On the need to tell me if you deserve or ready for your video. You see? God and I like all the time, chips.
This banana chips for you.
No, for you.
This banana chips for you. Say I got this banana chips for you. Make your crunchy, crunchy.
GCT forever. And ever, we say goodbye.
Girl, them say my dream of a boss. Girl, them say my dream of a boss. Eh. Girl, them say my dream of a boss. Road to 200k. Get me and say like, comment, subscribe.
It's a banger!